हमें वो चीज बताएं सर। मशीन ऑफ बटर।
Yes, ma'am. Now recording is started.
Okay, good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, today we will do writing section, okay? And we are doing notice writing.
उतना में नया हो जाएगा, नया लगा।
Please mute yourself, Akash, Aryan. Sound is coming from your home.
हाँ, ताकि पुराना हो रहा है ना, आया उसका धीरे-धीरे पाठ भी नहीं मिल रहा। ये है कि आपको हम अगर हम सही कहेंगे तो हम आपको लगा देंगे।
Yes, let's start. Today we will do notice writing.
देखिए वो बात पूछा ना, एक्वा एडिशनल एक्वा का है, एक्वा
Akash, Aryan, please mute yourself.
बना था ना, डाटा और एक्वा
मैम
ये अलग हो गया फिर बाद में कि अपना अलग रख के अपना बनाने लगाया हो।
और मैम किसी बच्चे को भी
एकदम इजी है और उसका पार्ट्स का दाम भी कम कीमत है।
Akash, Aryan,
आप लगाए हैं,
please one of you tell him, otherwise I'll remove him. Okay, let's start, children. We will do notice writing. Children, I am unable to share the screen, it on the screen. And today I'm not in school, so I cannot show you the blackboard also. That is why there was so much confusion. Now I'll just dictate. Yes, Aradhya?
Ma'am, is that page in your laptop also? That image? Ma'am, वो जो image आपने लिया है, वो क्या आपके laptop में है?
क्या चीज?
मैम जो नोटिस राइटिंग वाला इमेज है
मैम, अगर वो आपके लैपटॉप में
है, वो लैपटॉप में
एक बच्चा बोलो ना, सब बोल रहे हैं, हमको समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है।
मैम आपका जो लैपटॉप है, आपने जो नोटिस राइटिंग वाला पेज भेजा है, क्या वो पेज आपके लैपटॉप में सेव्ड है?
नहीं है, दैट इज व्हाई आई एम नॉट एबल टू शेयर।
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम,
लैपटॉप में
होस्ट
नहीं है, लेकिन मैम वो हम लोग के पास है, तो मैम आप होस्ट बना दीजिए, मैम वो शेयर कर देगा।
हाँ तो अच्छा, लेट इट बी, डोंट शेयर इट, अदरवाइज अगेन देयर विल बी कंफ्यूजन और क्लास नहीं हो पाएगी। टुडे इज द लास्ट क्लास चिल्ड्रन।
यस मैम,
टुडे इज द लास्ट क्लास, आई डोंट वांट टू वेस्ट टाइम। So notice writing, all of you have got the format. I have given it to you.
Yes,
now first of all, you will write it. Just now take out a copy and a pen and write that. Yes, notice writing, then format.
Ma'am, in which topic?
Notice writing.
Ma'am, on which topic?
Topic क्या है? Notice writing आपको करवा रहे हैं। Okay, now the format, children. In the format, first of all, what do? You write the name of the institution. Suppose you have to take out a notice for anything. Now what you will do? First you will write the name of your school. Yes. Then underneath you will write notice. In capital letter, you will write notice. Then you will write a date. Today's date you will mention and then give a heading. After that, you will write the content. Now, in the content, children, what you do is First of all, you will write the purpose of writing the notice. What is the purpose? Why you are writing this notice? And secondly, you will give the detail of the schedule. Suppose there is a painting competition in the school. Now, first of all, you will write that you are invited for the painting competition to give your names and all. Secondly, you will inform the students where it will take place. That is the venue, or which date, venue, and how long it will take. Which classes can participate? Which student can participate? All this should go. Date, time, and venue will go there in that. Okay, and then you will conclude that with the consent of your parents, you can come to that, or along with your parents, you can come to that place if it is outside the school. Yes. Now, after this, you put your signature, and lastly, your designation. Now, when you write a notice, you must be holding some designation also. Like, any child cannot be asked to write a notice. Either you are holding some position in the school, like you are the monitor of the class, or you are the head boy of the school, or head girl of the school, or you are the club coordinator, or anything. That is called the designation. So today we will write notice. Now copy the question, children. Right? Start writing, children.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, Ashish Raj.
Ashish? What happened?
Ma'am, is my copies visible to you?
Yes, it is visible, but acha, I'll make it. Okay. Yes. Now I can do it.
मैम आप सबको म्यूट कर दीजिए.
Radhya?
Yes, ma'am.
How to bring your, yes, now. See, children. Name of the institution, notice, date, heading, content, signature, designation. All this to be written in a box. Now, when you write a notice, it should be in a box. And then I have written about the content. Now, what you write in the content, the purpose of writing the notice, and the details of the schedule, that is the date, time, venue of the event. This is what you will be writing. Now, is it clear to everyone? Is it clear? Now, copy down the question, children. Copy the question.
Ma'am, we have to write the notice or the format.
You have to write the format. If you don't know the format, how will you write the notice?
Ma'am, first we
आपको
have
कॉपी
to
में पहले कॉपी में फॉर्मेट बनाना है, लिखना है, and then on the next page you will copy the question and write the notice.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, the name of the ma'am institution की spelling गलत है. Ma'am वहाँ N होगा, U नहीं.
आपको यहाँ पर mistakes find out करने के लिए बोला है. Even I saw that. I have written the correct spelling. No? I have written the correct spelling. Now don't point out the mistakes of others. Now copy the question. First one. You are the student. You are the student editor. Please mute yourself, children. I can hear some sound. मम्मी पूजा कर रही है आशीष, आपकी हमको पता चल रहा है. Kushank Bharadwaj, mute yourself. Ashish Raj is least bothered. क्या आवाज आ रही है? Okay. You are the student editor of Gandhi, of DAV Public School. Student editor of DAV Public School, Patna. Very good, Aradhya. I can see you writing also.
मैम उसकी वीडियो दिख नहीं रही, आप उसकी वीडियो को स्पॉटलाइट कर देंगे?
हाँ?
मैम उसकी वीडियो दिख नहीं रही है।
तो आपको क्या करना है, आप पढ़ी जो हम बोल रहे हैं वो लिखिए ना. Children, you are always pointing out others' mistakes. मैं आपको डिक्टेट कर रही हूँ, आप लिखिए जो डिक्टेट हो रहा है. You are the student of DAV Public School, Patna. Write a notice in not more than 50 words. In not more than 50 words, inviting names of those.
Sorry, ma'am. Ma'am, what you have
Write
told
a notice. Write a notice in not more than 50 words. In not more than 50 words will come in bracket. ये आपको बता रहे हैं कि 50 words का ही होना चाहिए. It will come in bracket. Yes. Write a notice inviting names of those who would like to give articles, stories, poems.
धीरे धीरे प्रथम हरा देगा ये बच्चों।
Articles, stories, poems, drawings, etc. 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 for the school magazine. Okay. Now you will write the notice, children. What will you write on top? DAV Public School. Yes. On top, you will write DAV Public School. Start writing, children. DAV Public School. Then on the next line, you will write the date in the left-hand corner. Left-hand corner. Write the date. Near the margin. Yes, yes. Write today's date. Then write notice. Next, in the middle, notice will come in the middle. Yes, no, Aradhya, not here. Above only. ऊपर ही आएगा. Middle में, पेज के middle में. Date side में आती है, notice middle में. चलिए ठीक है वही.
मैम ये पेज का मिडल ही है.
Date वाली line में ही आएगा. Or you could have written the date below. Notice, yes. Notice. Now, what heading would you like to give this? What heading would you like to give this? You have to write articles and all for school magazine.
Yes, ma'am.
What heading can you give?
Ma'am, inviting those students who want to participate.
No. Short heading. You cannot give a very big heading. You can write, children, be a part of school magazine. Be a part of school magazine.
Ma'am, here.
Can
यहाँ
we
से
write
लिखिए,
music
be a
competition?
part of. उतना मार्जिन से नहीं लिखते हैं. Heading should always come in the middle. तो आप बीच से ही लिख स्टार्ट करिए. अगर वो नहीं आता है तो फिर आप उसको नीचे वाली सेकंड लाइन पे भी यूज कर सकते हैं. Be a part of magazine, school magazine. Okay. Now, how will you start? Can anyone tell me? Any idea?
Ma'am, can I, Apurva?
Yes, Apurva.
Ma'am, this is to inform you that.
Yes, then what will you say? This is to inform you that the school magazine for the year 2021 2021 to 2022 is being prepared. This is to inform you that the school magazine for the session 2021 to 2022 is being prepared. Are you writing, children?
Ma'am, can you repeat again?
Huh?
Ma'am, can you please repeat again?
Is being prepared.
Ma'am, can you please repeat the line?
Huh?
Ma'am, please repeat the heading. Ma'am, please repeat the
Be a part
starting
of
line.
the school magazine is the heading. Then you can
Ma'am,
write.
ma'am, is this format is correct? Ma'am.
DAV public school. Children, one thing I want to tell you, this DAV public school should come in the middle. जहां आपने public लिखा है ना, वहां से आपका DAV public school start होना चाहिए. जहां public लिखा है, वहां से आपका DAV public school start होना चाहिए. Date will come this side and notice is okay. Be a part of the magazine is also okay. Yes. Now this is to inform you that the school magazine for the year 2021 and 22 is being prepared. You are invited or
Ma'am, this is inform you that.
why have you written I in capital? I should be small. Inform. Yes.
Ma'am, I
Inform
am
you.
writing it in a page only. Then I will correct it in fair copy.
Those students who are interested in giving their articles, stories, poems, or drawings for the magazine,
Ma'am,
may
what
give their
after those
names to
students?
their class teachers, or may give their names to the undersigned. क्योंकि student editor लिख रहा है ना, so you can give your name either to your class teacher or to your student editor, to the undersigned.
Ma'am, what is the after that those students who are?
Those students who are interested in giving their articles, articles, poems, drawings, stories, may give it to their class teacher or undersigned or the student editor. You write class teacher only, children. Write class teacher. To the class teachers.
Excuse
Those
me, ma'am.
students who are
After
interested
articles,
in giving
poem.
their articles, articles, stories, poems, drawings, etc. for the magazine, may give it to their class teacher. Full stop. The names must reach by 20th November. Sorry, 20th August. 20th August
Ma'am, what is it?
2021.
Class teacher.
Class
Ma'am,
teacher.
they may give to their class teacher.
Class teacher, yes. The names must reach by 20th August 2021.
Ma'am, the names
And then you
must
will
be.
write your name, and underneath you will write the student
What is
editor,
after the names must
editor,
be?
school magazine. Student editor, school magazine.
मैम 20 अगस्त के बाद
उसके बाद क्या है? कुछ नहीं है. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट लाइन में on the left side you will write your name, and then
Ma'am, must be के बाद.
underneath you will write student editor. School
Ma'am,
magazine.
what is after the
Student
name
editor,
must be?
school magazine. Now next question is, children, copy the next question on the next page. On the next page. And this notice should go in the box. Remember, आप इसके चारों तरफ box बनाएंगे.
What will we write
Okay,
after the
ma'am.
name
What
must be
to-
given before 20
Yes,
August?
ma'am. Ma'am,
So,
the
honey,
name
what are you
must
saying?
be.
I can't follow.
Ma'am. Ma'am, what is
Ma'am,
after the name must be?
After?
Ma'am,
You people are
must
taking
be.
lot of time, children. It is about to end. Class is about to end also. You are taking lot of time. You
Ma'am.
see the video. Okay, next question I'm
Ma'am,
giving you.
please stop here. Ma'am, ma'am, we want to say that poem.
Okay,
poem.
okay. Then I will write it on the group. The question I'll give it
Okay,
to you
ma'am.
on the group. Okay. Okay. Yes, let's start.
Ma'am,
Yes,
first
Aradhya.
can I?
Apurva, you start first.
Loudly,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
come close to the mic because you are not audible.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it takes a special person to teach a child to keep his attention in the world that moves so fast. You are a special person. You always give your best. And for every child who has your class, their life is truly best. It takes a special person to teach a child. In my heart, you are. In my mind, you are. You are in the whole world that make me bold. It's take a special person to teach a child. Thank you, ma'am.
Oh, very good. Very good. You write this and send it to me. Okay. Send it to me
Ma'am,
also. Good. Aradhya, B.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. I told you, na. Yes, say.
Yes, ma'am. You have supported me. You have guided me. You have made my future very intelligent as a computer. You are the best teacher ever. I will miss you forever. This is the last class with you. I hope you will miss us too. I am sure I will become good person in future because of you. Thank you for your hard work and dedication. You have passed 33 years in the school. Congratulations. Thank you, ma'am.
Wow, very good. Very good. Both of you, Apurva and Aradhya, very good. Good to see that you can write so well. You can also, Aradhya, send it to me.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Anyone else wants to say anything?
मैम कुशाग्र।
कुशाग्र अपने आप बोल रहा है? ओके, I'll add you. Yes, Kushagra.
Sometimes a teacher can
Open your
touch your
video.
life
Video,
with
I
a
want to see your face. I want to see your face.
Ma'am, I
Yes.
had on my video.
Okay, okay.
Sometimes a teacher can touch your life with a magical, mystical glow. Invention is heart in the word that he does. He helps us to learn and glow with wisdom and patiently guides you along towards becoming the best you can be. And when you consider just how far you come, the teacher you loved was a key.
Very
Thank
good.
you, ma'am.
Very good, Kushagra. Thank you all for showing your feelings. I am not crying. I'm always available for you, even though I will not be serving the school, but I'm always available. Whenever you feel like contacting me, you can contact, you can take my advice, anything you want. Okay? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
I want to see everyone smiling. Smiling faces. I want to capture those memories of smiling faces. Yes? Last memories should be of
Ma'am, but I
smiling
am
faces.
not possible. Ma'am, this is not possible that I can smile.
Everyone should smile. I think the class is about to end. Yes, others also, please open your video. I want to see you all. Yes, good. Good, good. All of you show your faces. Divya Rai, Arpit Kumar, Abhinav Raj, at least I should know my students. Good, good. Okay. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.